Hey, if you're looking for a high-end mid-century modern floor lamp, you got to check this one out. Another brand did send this to me. I was actually really surprised that I was able to get such a high-quality floor lamp off of Amazon. This thing actually weighs just over 10 pounds. What I like about it is that it's not going to tip over on you. I'm going to bring you close in a second, but you can kind of see this is what it looks like. It's got a very heavy base. You got brass on here. This lampshade is linen. It becomes rolled up, and then you got to unroll it and you snap it around the frame here. Very easy to put together. You've got this brass finish, and then you've got this matte black, and then it comes down here back to the brass, and you got this really nice brass heavy base. And like I said, this thing is so stable. So you do have this linen lampshade, and I'll show you. You see right here, there's these little clips. You got a clip there, you have a clip here. They go all the way around, and you just snap this linen lampshade together. You've got a frame up top right here, and you've got a frame right down in here. It's just two metal hoops with clips. Very easy to put together. It's got a nice soft look to it. Another great feature is this floor switch. So you don't actually have to operate this with your hand. There's the floor switch, and you can turn the lamp on and off simply by pressing that with your foot. If you have a dimmable switch, you can pair it up with this, and the bulb can then be dimmed. It doesn't come equipped with that out of the box, but just pair it up with a dimmable switch and you'll be good to go on that. So this is the Zen Glimmer brand. They did a great job with this lamp. I definitely don't make recommendations unless I am actually using it or will use it. So definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.